think today this building is the testament of that the government is really looking forward, that no doubt the service cannot be given without better infrastructure. So I hope that with this infrastructure, that, like I said, that the department will be able to expand its service, and also, as we do realize that especially all the citizens, I think not only, I think we should try from the government, that I think it is civil, we should have some kind of training.
Give immense pride and satisfaction of the inauguration of this new office building of Civil Defense and Home Guards Department in Jaitia, West Jaitia Hills. The building has been a long-pending dream of not only the rank and file of the department, but of the people of Jaitia Hills also. All this while the district level offices of the Civil Defense and Home Guards was operating from a rented building. However, the long wait has been worked. It seems the building we now see in front of us, outside all the present buildings of the department in the state.